Everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2025 235 Freedom by Grady-White boats. Let's go ahead and hop in. So this is the first 235 Freedom by Grady-White in Texas with the new Yamaha 350 on the back. Of course, we've matched the Grady-White white motor on it with the rest of the boat. Full hull side white, very nice graphics. Another new option that we have on it is that hardtop. There's a ski tow pylon right there. So that comes standard on all of these boats now. All right, everyone, so we're inside this Grady-White 235 Freedom. Go ahead and start off in the back. We do have a live well right here, nice size fish locker right here that is insulated. That will hold ice all day long. Nice little seat in the back that does fold down out of the way, which also gives you a nice little tow kick. You have tow kicks on the port and starboard side as well, with rod storage on both sides. There is blue LED lights that light up under there. Got the Yeti cooler, of course, nice little prep station, the 3-position port side lounger, the Command Elite helm seat, which I believe is standard on this boat now. Large area for electronics, flush mounted. One fusion head unit, second fusion head unit over there. Got USB chargers throughout the boat. Nice large head that's holding all the cushions right now, but it is a vacuum flush head with a pump out. Up front, we did option this boat with a bow filler as well. So right there, that gets all filled in and is one large cushion. Down here, we have additional storage, wind block off door. My favorite part about this boat, though, is the amount of shade you get with this hardtop. It is just incredible. Great boat for the Texas coast area, and everywhere for that point. So guys, my name is Billy with MarineMax. Call us anytime. My number is 936-223-6770. Y'all have a great day.